Oh shit. Papa!
You down?
I caught a stray.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You're a legend.
I'm just gonna hug this.
Yeah. Just watch that left side down there.
Oh, there's a whole firing squad at the end.
Yeah, that's how I caught a stray. They were shooting at they weren't even shooting at me, and I poked my head out and I got hit.
Back left is like horrible. Where?
This. I think he's down right here.
I think he's down right here. Ghost, I'm coming for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shoot left, shoot left.
But you cannot ride with me.
Shoot. Go, shoot left. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, go. Go left, go left. Person on left, person right here. Cover fire. Left, right, left, silo. Reed, I'm coming! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shoot left. Shoot left. Shoot left. I'm going for Dom. Good. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go, move. Get away. I'm gonna cover.
Can I revive you guys or no?
Is it doable?
Am I allowed to revive you guys?
You can only revive him.
Oh, okay. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah.
Come here right there.
Yep.
You revive him. Oh, shit. My bad.
Hit! Medic! Left. He's down. Poison. Yeah. Left.
Where at?
Dom is right here with a sniper.
How close?
About
Where's
ref
the
tower.
sniper at?
Ref tower, green spool, I think.
Alright, I'm crossing.
Ref tower. You keep dying in unusable positions. Poison, you got me? Yeah. Cover. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Poison's pushing up the right.
I'm pretty sure that's Santiago. He's downrange. Middle left.
Pickle's on the right spool.
Oh, he's at.
Pickle's right green spool.
That was a no.
There's someone there?
Oh no, he's raising his hand and standing. It's so weird. Oh no.
I was like, Dom was just there.
Yeah.
It has to be. Ref tower.
Bro, call your hit. There you go.
I died more times than I've survived.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
He's right there.
Yeah, call your hit.
Really? Empty? I'm fucking empty. Damn. You have?
No, I don't have AEG mags, unfortunately. I can cover you if you want to push back.